Hello, what is up everyone? RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video, and today we have the 2018 Bentley Continental GT3, number 3 out of 5 from Hot Wheels Modified, and number 44 out of 250. So let's go ahead and open this up. So I actually have two of these. I've opened one and keep one, obviously. And this is from the B and C case of 2023. So you might recognize this casting before. It did release previously in what color was it? Was it red? Or was it like that light green-ish color? I don't remember. I mean, I have too many cars and I simply don't remember the recolors I had. But yeah, this is one of the recolors from the Bentley Continental GT casting, and as you can see, yes, this is a GT3. And there are a bunch more GT3s out there from Hot Wheels, and this is one of them. Obviously, you might know the news that there's a Lexus RCF, if I'm not mistaken, GT3 that's coming soon, which I'm quite excited of. And well, when it releases, maybe I'll get my hands on it and review it for you guys. And yes, let's get back to the Bentley Continental. So this is in this metal flake dark green. It's not Goodwood green, by the way. This is more of like the dark green of a leaf, I would say, something like that. But yeah, this is the Bentley Continental GT3. What an awesome color they picked. So yeah, let's take a look at the car itself. Here it is, the Bentley Continental GT3 in metal flake green, and as you can see, just look at that shining color right there. That looks amazing on this car. Obviously, they wouldn't select this color to be released if there was this car in real life. I mean, I know there is, but they might not pick this color, obviously. But it would be pretty goddamn amazing if you see this on track in real life with this color. It would be very amazing. As you can see, there's one bent stripe right here in white, very tiny, but yeah, at least that's there. You have the blacked out rims, which are 10 spokes, sorry. You have some other white stripes right here. You have the like dotted, it's not dotted, it's more of like squared stripes, white stripes right there. You have the racing number 7 and Hot Wheels right there. You can see it right there. Let me focus it. Yeah, there you go. You have some more white stripes. Moving on to the wheel arch right there. Moving on to the front, obviously there's no details for the headlights and the grille, which is I would say okay, but it would be great if they had headlights and the grille. Maybe some would make customs of it and maybe add the grille and headlights, I'd say. You have the Bentley Bentley logo, sorry. Bentley logo right there, which is pretty neat detail. You have the air intakes on the hood, and obviously you have the white stripes here also. But there's nothing on the roof, as you can see right there. I think, yeah, that's more of like a gray interior, dark gray interior. Right there, pretty nice. Moving on to the back, you have no rear lights nor license plate, but why would you have a license plate on a GT3 car? Anyways, you have some big rear diffusers right here. I don't see the exhaust. Where is it? Hold on, let me check. Okay, I do not see any exhaust, but yeah, there are some black diffusers at the bottom right there. And you have the Bentley logo, Bentley text, sorry. Bentley text on the rear spoiler, which is quite big, to be honest. Pretty nice. Moving on to the base. Obviously, the base is in black right here. 2018 Bentley Continental GT3 2020 Mattel, made in Malaysia. And yeah, there you go. That is my review of the Bentley Continental GT3 in this awesome looking sparkling metal flake green. Obviously, if you see it in stores, well, if you have 1 or 2 of the recolors already for this casting, I wouldn't suggest you to pick it up, but if you like the color and maybe you like the casting so much, then go ahead and buy it. I'd recommend you this casting, it's pretty nice. And if you collect GT3 models, then go ahead and get this car. I'd say it's very nice, very cool, nice looking GT3 car. Once again, thank you guys for watching. See my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.